Jennifer Smith is preparing for a dinner party to celebrate her husband's birthday. At 6:44 p.m., the power goes out. The smart meter at her home immediately detects the outage and sends a message to SaskPower. Her neighbors' meters are doing the same thing. This triggers SaskPower's advanced distribution management system to begin self-healing by redirecting power from available sources to minimize the size of the outage. Unfortunately, Jennifer's home remains in the blackout zone. As she considers canceling her dinner party, the work to restore power begins. The Advanced Distribution Management System automatically pinpoints the outage origin. A SaskPower employee begins diagnosing the problem, and the customer relationship and billing system automatically sends a message to affected customers. Jennifer gets a text with a link that lets her see where the power is out. It continues to keep her up to date during the repair. The SaskPower employee diagnoses the outage, and inventory management system then determines the availability and location of a replacement. And the schedule and dispatch system flags the closest qualified people available to go fix the problem. Two minutes after the outage at Jennifer's home was detected, the system sends a field worker an emergency work order that takes priority over less urgent work. After the field worker confirms that he received the work order, the system calculates that the repair, including travel time, will take 15 minutes. And an update is sent to Jennifer. As it happens, 15 minutes is about the time that Jennifer needs to finish setting the table for her dinner party. As the SaskPower employee drives to the substation, GPS and automatic vehicle location updates his colleague back in the office with real-time data. Jennifer begins to organize her table setting. After receiving the part at the substation, the field workers have a tailboard meeting, starting with the help of a safety app. Then they enter the substation and locate the problem, a large fuse and breaker unit. Before beginning work, the field workers get an electronic permit to isolate the affected transformer so it is safe to work. After opening the unit, a sliding panel grounds it, providing access to the part that failed. One field worker checks a viewing window to visually confirm that it is grounded, while the other worker uses voice recognition on his service tablet to bring up the unit's maintenance history. As Jennifer adds glassware to the setting, an RFID chip in the new part prompts installation instructions to appear on the tablet. The workers change out the part, and Jennifer adds folded napkins to complete her setting. After releasing the lockout and doing a test, the affected transformer is back up and running, and an electronic permit is submitted for the transformer to be brought back online. Power is then redirected back to the affected area just in time for Jennifer to put hors d'oeuvres in the oven. SaskPower sends one last update saying that the problem has been fixed. The birthday celebration dinner party goes ahead as planned. Everyone gathers in the kitchen to enjoy hors d'oeuvres before dinner, just as a special guest arrives. He's a little bit late, but he has a good excuse.